Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze a silver chart on 1 hour time frame and show you some positions and tell you what's gonna happen next on silver. So let's get started. As you can see, we have this trend line broken here, exactly like gold. We could enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe and make our profit with that. We could also enter sell position here too and make our profit. As you can see, we have this support line here where the price is likely to break it. I don't care about this one. The price started, it's like a fake out, it's fake breakout and started going up again, but I believe it's gonna fall again until this trend line. So what is this trend line? We've been in this channel for a month. Actually, if we drag this one from here, you can see in the box 29 days we are in a channel like this one. Two trend lines, one from upside, the other one from downside. The one from downside has better touches, like 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touch, 5 touches. I believe we're gonna see the 6th time here, 6 touch here. If we break the trend lines in smaller time frames like 15 minutes, we do have this trend line broken. This trend line was like this. Actually, let me show you. It was like this. We connect this one to this one and it gives us here the body of these shadows, the body of these candles was not closed below the trend line. It was just shadows. You can see we extend the trend line like this one, but it is broken here. We can enter sell position, still we can enter and put our stop loss somewhere safe like here or even here, and look for risk reward too. And we have to wait for the price and see what's gonna happen. We do also have this small trend line on 5-minute time frame, this trend line with 3 touches. It's likely if we see a break out of that, we can enter for sell positions and make our profits with that. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.